Hi, this is Jennifer, and my capstone project is to recreate the sound of yagai. The yagai I chose is battle sound, which is a formless yagai who follow alone workers at night. This yagai wear a pair of wooden sandals, and it is formless, so it can be only recognized by the battle clacking of wooden clocks. Um, the project outcome would be a kinetic sound installation, a series of small kinetic devices that produce the sound of wooden sandals will be installed on the staircase. As the user walks downstairs, the devices will be activated one by one to create the audio experience of someone following behind the worker. The installation will be only activated when there is only one worker detected, and cameras will be using to detect the worker's position. Ideally, the devices will be put at the corner of the staircase, and there will be like 7 or 8 devices installed along the stairs, and a camera will be put up on the ceiling or some high surface to track the worker's position. For the sound making device, I'm using ESP32 fire beetle, battery, and 3-volt DC motors, and I will use wooden blocks and acrylic to build the installation. Some relevant technology I will use is soldering, laser cutting, and 3D printing. For the camera tracking part, I will use Raspberry Pi as a microcontroller and a wide-angle camera to capture the worker, and I will use OpenCV or PostNet to detect the position of the worker, and the camera system will send message to the sound devices through MQTT to control which device is activated, basically turn on or turn off the motors. I went through several design iterations and did some experiment with both motor and solenoid, and finally I decided to use motor at the core of my mechanism, and finally I decided to use the cam structure, string, and motor to build my sound device. Here is a final prototype, and this video shows how to control the devices through MQTT. I also put this device on the staircase to test the sound. How does the sound like? And finally, this is my time planning chart. And thank you for listening.